Hey guys, John Pruitt with Addison Riley. Before I get started in telling you exactly what we're going to do in this video, I want to go ahead and give you our contact information because I think some of you need to call us. My number is 850-776-5009. That's 776-5009. Find us on Facebook at Addison Riley LLC or addisonriley.com. But what I'm going to tell you about here is how to shop contractors. We went out to an estimate and the guy said that he had a contractor who was going to do an addition for him for $30,000. And then he came back and said, well, maybe it'll be $50,000. Well, what do you think is going to happen next? He's going to say, well, I think it's $75,000. I have a staff in my office that has 4 people that all they do is look at numbers all day long. That's all they do. We know our costs. The goal is to not hit you with a change order. Beware of the change order. I don't want change orders because it slows the job down. You don't want change orders because you get hurt financially. So remember, when you're shopping a contractor, make sure it's a one inclusive price so that they have covered everything, and make sure that they're on the hook for it if they didn't bid it, unless it was something completely unseen. But that's how you do it, and that's how you get it done without getting hit with a bunch of change orders. So give us a call, 776-5009, 776-5009. Have a great day, guys.